Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Duncan Maths Tutor. Today's question is from an AQA paper, higher tier, from 2020. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the question. As a decimal, 11 over 40 equals 0.275. Work out 33 over 400 as a decimal. Okay. Let's have a look at these two fractions here. They're actually quite similar in the sense that 11 and 33 look quite similar, and we've got 40 and 400. So I'm going to write something down here just to give it that feel. Okay, so this is what I've written here. 11 over 40 multiplied by something over something will give me this fraction that we're going to try to work out as a decimal, okay? So, straightforward here. 11 times something gives me 33. 40 times something will give me 400. Should be straightforward. So there you have it. Obviously, 11 times 3 will give me 33. 40 times 10 will give me 400. Now, this 11 over 40, I can now substitute in knowing the fact that I've been given 0.275 as that fraction. So I'm going to rewrite this down here like so. So here we go, 0.275 times 3 over 10 is equal to 33 over 400. So in order to get our decimal now, all we have to do is go 0.275, multiply by 3 and divide by 10. Now, you can either quickly do that in your head, or you can do a little calculation over here. So the little calculation over here, if you round it out very, very quickly, 0.275, multiply it by 3, 3 5s are 15, 5, carry the 1, 7 3s are 21, add 1, 22, carry 2, 2 3s are 6, add on the 2 gives you 8. So you've got 0.825. That's going to leave you with the 0.825. Just divide it by 10. So I've rewritten it down here. And obviously, again, a little calculation should be able to do. Just a case of moving the decimal point one place back to the left there to make the number smaller. So there you have it. Using the information to start with, 11 over 40 equals 0.275. You can quite straightforward work out 33 over 400 is going to be 0.0825. Thanks for listening once again, folks. See you again soon on my channel, Duncan Maths Tutor. Bye for now.